Hey everyone, are you thinking about jumping into crypto or NFTs but feeling completely overwhelmed? You're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to start trading crypto and NFTs, even if you're starting with zero experience. No complicated jargon, no hype. Understanding crypto and NFTs is crucial in 2025. These technologies are reshaping finance, art, and even how we interact online. Just a real guide to help you avoid mistakes and make smart moves in 2025. So if you're ready to go from confused to confident, stick around. Alright, first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Think of it like digital money that lives on a blockchain, which is basically a public online ledger that records every transaction. It's secure, transparent, and immutable. Popular examples: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot. They're decentralized. No banks needed. You control your own money. Step 1. You need a crypto exchange to buy your first coins. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with something easy like Coinbase or Binance. Create your account, verify your ID, and boom, you're in. But before you buy anything, you need a wallet. When choosing a crypto exchange, consider factors like fees, security features, and user reviews. Security is crucial. Always enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords. Do your research and watch tutorials to understand the platform before making any trades. A wallet is where you actually store your crypto safely. There are different types of wallets, each with its own pros and cons. Hot wallets like MetaMask and mobile wallets are great for starters. They are easy to use and convenient for daily transactions. However, they are connected to the internet and can be vulnerable to hacks. For better security, consider using a hardware wallet. And remember, your private key is like your bank password. Never share it with anyone. Now, when it comes to trading, some people hold their crypto long-term. Others swing trade, buying and selling every few days. And some day trade, buying and selling within hours. If you're just starting out, stick to small amounts and maybe try dollar cost averaging. That's just buying a little bit every week or month, no matter what the price is. Also, always use stop-loss orders to manage your risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, let's dive into the future of NFTs. NFTs are evolving beyond digital collectibles. They're set to revolutionize various industries. From art and music to video games and real estate, the possibilities are endless. Imagine attending virtual concerts, owning digital real estate, or even holding NFT tickets for events. Marketplaces like OpenSea, Magic Eden, and Blur will continue to be pivotal in this transformation. Getting started is simple. Set up your MetaMask wallet, buy a little ETH, connect to OpenSea, explore collections, always do your own research before you buy. Read the project's white paper, check the team's credentials on LinkedIn, analyze the roadmap and check their social media activity, and a warning. The NFT space is full of scams and rug pulls. Only use official project links. And never click random DMs on Discord or Twitter. Final tips if you're new to crypto or NFT trading: start small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Keep learning. Crypto changes fast. Protect your wallet and your private keys. You don't have to rush. Play smart, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Avoid panic selling during market dips. Do your own research before making any decisions. Use strong security measures to protect your assets. Remember to take breaks and enjoy other aspects of life. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more beginner guides and weekly crypto updates. Share this video with your friends and let us know what topics you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.